Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today this is your maths class. But what do you think? Do you want to learn something or shall we play something? रोज पढ़ते हैं ना, आज खेलें. Shall we play? How happy you are. So let's start. Okay. What do you think? What are these? These are apples. And you know, Aisha and Unzila are in our class. They are students. Do you know both of them? And Aisha and Unzila both like apples. Aisha और Unzila दोनों को apples बहुत पसंद है. आपने क्या करना है? What you will do? Share these apples equally between them. आपने this is Aisha. ये Aisha है. This is Aisha. And this is Unzila, right? अब इक्वली कैसे आप करेंगे? हाउ मेनी? फर्स्ट लेट्स काउंट. कितने हैं ये? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 हैं. आप देखें. नाउ शेयर इक्वली. 1 for Aisha, 1 for Unzila. 1 for Aisha and 1 for Unzila. 2, 1 for Aisha and 1 for Unzila. 3, 1 for Aisha and 1 for Unzila. 4, 4 for Aisha and 4 for Unzila. Are they equal? दोनों के पास 4 4 है ना, right? So it's mean we can, yes, you can see 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. How many do they each get? 4, right? It's mean you have divided and you have shared between Aisha and Unzila equally, right? This sharing is called division, right? Now see another. डिवीजन क्या, किसको कहते हैं डिवीजन? क्या होता है डिवीजन? डिवीजन इज ब्रेकिंग अ नंबर अप इनटू एन इक्वल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट. डिवीजन किसे कहते हैं? किसी भी नंबर को ब्रेक करने को इक्वल पार्ट्स में, इक्वल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करने को कहते हैं, राइट? हम एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. व्हाट इज अ एग्जांपल? 20 divided by 4. We don't know, right? Now these are what are these? These are dots. If you take 20 dots and put them into 4 equal sized group, how many dots? 20 dots. Or put them into how many groups? 4 equal size. Equal size मतलब क्या है? देखिए हर ग्रुप्स में कितने डॉट्स हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. Each group has 5 dots, right? And how many groups? 1 2 3 4. 4 group. Equal size group. There will be 5 dots in each group. Right? Each group. So what will be the answer? If you divide 20 divided by 4, the answer will be 5. Why 5? Because each group contains 5 dots, right? Now, this is your book page 79. Grouping and sharing. Sharing we have already learned. सीखा है ना? With the apple between sharing between Aisha and Unzila. Now, grouping and sharing. What are these? Can you see in plates? क्या है ये? Yes. These are chocolates. How many are they? In plates, there are 18. 18, and in a bag, there are 2. And how many bags of chocolate can Mrs. Lim pack? Who is she, by the way? She is Mrs. Lim. And what does she want to do? She wants to pack this chocolate in a bag, right? So how many bags of chocolate can Mrs. Lim pack all together? कितने बैग पैक करेंगी Mrs. Lim? वो ये मालूम करना है हमने, right? So how we will do it? Let's start. Come to page number 80. How many chocolates? There are 20 chocolates. Put 2 chocolates in each bag. कितनी chocolates रखेंगे हम? 2 chocolates in each bag. It's mean 20 chocolates divided by 2, right? So what will be answer? If we divide it by 2, 10. 10 is a division fact. How? Because if you read the table of 2 till 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 5, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. It's mean it's mean she will need how many bags? 10 bags to pack 20 chocolates, right? And how many groups are there? 10 groups. It's mean 10 bags, right? Divided 20 by 2 to find the number of groups. There are 10 groups of 2. And division, this is right, red में लिखा हुआ है, division is to divide 20. 20 divided by 2 is the same as 10. It's mean we can say 9 twos are, sorry, 2 tens are 20, right? It's mean 10 bags. Now come to the next example. Put 18 sausages equally on 2 plates. There are 2 plates. How many plates? 2 plates. अब 18 को हमने डिवाइड करना है 2 प्लेट्स में, राइट? इट्स मीन 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. ठीक है, 18 क्या है? 18 आर सॉसेजेस, हमने डिवाइड करना है 2 प्लेट्स में, तो दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ डिवीजन एंड 2. सो if we learn the table, read the table of 2, so 18, as we read the table of 2 till 10, so 20 came. So if we, अगर 2 का टेबल आप कहाँ तक पढ़ें कि 18 आ जाए, राइट? तो 2 का टेबल अगर आप 9 तक पढ़ें, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18. It's mean 9. कितने डिवाइड होने? 9. Or we can say 9 twos are also 18. There are 9 sausages on each plate. हर प्लेट में कितने sausages हैं? 9, right? Now come to page number 81. These are your homework. Oh, sorry. No, this is question number 1 and 2. It is we will do in class. This is class. Homework is something else. Question 1 is circle to show groups of 2. How many groups are there? ठीक है. What are these? किस चीज की picture है ये? Do you know? Yes, these are cupcakes. Do you like children cupcakes? अच्छे लगते हैं? ओके तो हमने पहले क्या करना है, सर्कल टू शो ग्रुप्स ऑफ 2. हमने सर्कल करना है. हाउ मेनी कपकेक्स? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. अब हमने 2 का ग्रुप्स बनाना है सर्कल करके. कैसे करेंगे सर्कल? लेट्स सी. वी बिगिन. यस, दिस इज अ वन ग्रुप. हाउ मेनी कपकेक्स? 2. 2 का ग्रुप्स बना है. 2, सेकंड ग्रुप, third group and fourth, right? Now, so how many cupcakes? 8. And how many cupcakes in each group? 2. Now again 2 का टेबल पढ़ें कि 8 आ जाए. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. क्या आएगा? 8 equal to 8. If we divide 8 by 2, so it will come 4. Now another. There are how many groups? 4 groups, right? 4 group of cupcake. Now another question. Question number 2. Farhan has 10 fish. कितनी fish है फरहान के पास? 10. He puts them equally into a 5 balls. ठीक है, 5 balls में उसने रखा है. अच्छा, he puts them equally into 5. अब equally कितना equally रखा है? 10 है, 10 को equally 5 balls में कितना रखेंगे? कितनी fish है? 10, right? And now he puts them equally into 5 balls. Okay, so what we will write over here? 5, right? अब now टेबल पढ़ें 5 का कि 10 आ जाए. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Yes, so it's mean over here will come 2. 2 5s are 10. 2. There are 2 fish in each ball. कितनी fish है? 2 fish in each ball. हर ball में 2 fish है. 10 fish थी हर बॉल में. उन्होंने 5, फरहान ने कितने? he puts them equally into 5 balls लिए. ठीक है, 5 balls में कितनी हर बॉल में डाली? 2 fish, right? So there are 2 fish in each ball, right? This is a division. About division, today's class, right? What you will do in home task, you will write the table of 9 and 10 in your notebook. First you will write date, day, topic, and then start write. Okay, we finish our class here. Thank you, students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.